original cake, and aren't you glad that we're filming today? You hate me, don't you? Okay. Click that one. Click it right now. Do it. Haha, I'm ahead of you. Bye, loser! So today, guys, we're just gonna play. What is this game called again? I already forgot. Ah! Mega Marble Run! And we're back here with another video of this. Damn it, I fell off already. I saw you. I'm on green now. Is that good? I'm on green.
Sir, I'm on the bottom.
I'm on green, miss, ma'am. I was trying to think of a joke with green, but I don't think there's anything I can say.
What about pickles?
Oh, you're right. Now I want pickles. Look what you've done.
Same.
But I have 3 jars, so I'm good.
Huh?
You know what? We have
Right.
problem. Look at me. I'm on green. Oh, I'm off green. I'm on yellow now. Wee.
Oh, no.
You see me? Oh, I don't know if that's on copyright, but I look like a really swirly human being. You know what, guys? I've been rolling like this for like a minute. Oh, wait. I actually finally finished. Damn it. As soon as I was about to say I'm going to reset. Not damn it.
Hey, not since you.
Goodbye, Felicia. Oh, wait. Damn it.
Wait,
I
can
choose. Yes, you better choose right now. I will kill you in your sleep. I know where you live. Okay, old man voice disabled. Are you Superman? Because you just flew. Okay.
Wait,
Now. You just bounced me back like a boomerang by JoJo
You're
Siwa.
welcome.
I don't believe you ever again. I'm watching you.
I fell off of
Haha, you fell off. You died. I'm not gonna fall off. I'm too mega. Damn it, I fell off into blue. And now, oh, hi! I saw you. Hey, I'm behind you.
No, you're behind the random guy.
No, yeah, I know. I'm behind you and oh, damn it. I went over it. I went over the thing. Now I'm on brown. You fell in, but I fell off. Ah! Jen, by the way, I love your haircut. Damn.
Yeah, right.
Oh my god.
That's why my head's so flat, man.
You're so styling. I think you got hit in the head too hard. You look a little flat up there.
Facts. Wait, which one do you want to go to?
Let's do pink. Whee! It's purple. But that it looks pink. You know what, Jen? We're twins.
I don't think it works.
It says my hat's removed. Okay, never mind. Bye, Benny. Oh, whoa. Ah, bye. Damn, I just fell off purple already. I just fell into blue, then bounced off of blue, and now I'm at the end.
Same.
Where are you? Oh, is that you? There's hi. I have a. I'm gonna beat you. Bye, Felicia. Damn it. Oh yes, you haven't beaten me. You haven't beaten me yet. Yes. Yes. I'm gonna beat you. Long story short, she bumped into someone and it stopped her. This game really hates me. This game just hates me so much. Benny, how'd you miss? How'd you miss? This is my life now. Will you visit me in my hamster ball? How'd you miss that? Will you visit me in my hamster ball?
You pushed me.
Will you visit me in my hamster ball? I don't want to be alone.
I just
oh, really? Really? Okay, finally. Choose the color of fate. Choose the color. I thought you were gonna pick poop brown for a minute there. Remove my hat! It didn't work.
Let's wait for the other people to go.
Benny, I can't have your beautiful hairstyle. I want to be bald.
No, it's my turn to go first. Did you want first fast?
No, but you have to let me go on this one. You know, you gotta give me a few minutes. Go. Damn it! Oh, we were green and pink. That's a nice color combination. Whee! We just both said we at the same time. We. Oh damn it! I just.
Did you make it? Don't tell me you just made it.
We. I did. We. I'm going straight down onto the blue after falling off, and it almost straight up.
Sir, wait for me, sir.
Ma'am, I'm sorry. I'm gonna abandon you and your entire life. Yeah, I'm gonna help you. Ma'am, I'm here to help. Oh, damn it.
How'd you miss that?
Oh, shut up. Okay, should we go? You're welcome. You're welcome. I'm your savior. I'm your savior.
Look it.
Did you just ask me if you could have that person's lollipop and lick it? Wait, there's no way. You're the avatar. Okay, let's just diarrhea green. Oh, we already did this? Well, don't worry. Let's just go to. I almost said diarrhea red, but then I think you should get that checked out if you have diarrhea red. Bye. Bye, Felicia. Wee. I just realized I would die out of being scared if I had to go on this ride. Wee. Wee. Someone pushed you off? Me and this guy are just. Wee. I'm on red still. I'm right on track. Damn it, I just flung on to brown. You just said poopy color in the most derpiest way ever. Oh, and I'm about to go straight into the end.
Lucky.
And I did it. We did it. Wait,
actually on the green.
we did it. We did it. We did it. Yeah, we fell down the cliff.
Huh?
I don't know. What am I supposed to know right here, bro? You know what? I think there's an imposter Aang. Wait, you're on green? I think there's an imposter Aang, to be honest. I think you're the real Aang. You're the avatar. Where are you, bro? Where's the... where are you, bro? Which green? Why are there like 3 different greens? I got you here, Benny. Benny, I got you. I got you, bro. I got... Oh, wait. Wow. Okay. This is a hard decision. Hi, guys. Welcome to the original game show, where we have to choose a color. Which color will you be choosing today? So typical. Every person chooses blue. I mean, oh, wow. So unique. Hey, perfect timing, Benny. Oh, no! Oh! I'm half human, half bouncy ball, half burrito. The burrito part is just delicious. Wait, that sounded wrong. Wait, why?
It really did.
It really did, says the Betty.
The Benny and the Jets in the 3s.
Okay, sounds good, right? I think this is my life now. Okay, I give up on this life. Oof! The quick way... Oh, damn, I was looking really weird.
Wait, Caleb, can I show you something?
No. Yes. Maybe so.
Oh, well, I'm showing you anyways.
What are you showing me here? Wait, what's this?
Well, we can use our coins.
How many coins do I have? How do you know this?
34. Look.
Damn, I thought I'd have more than 34, bro.
You know, I'm gonna get...
Oh, wait. You know, in Fortnite, I do be loving fireflies, though. I don't have enough. Oh, really?
I only have 3 now.
I got... Oh, wait. What's this? What's a cookie? I have 1 Uno coin. Coin, which is 1 in French. I wish I had done.
It's a hot dog.
Trois, quatre, cinq, six, sept, huit, neuf. Tasty. Nom 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 nom. Okay, just pick the color before. Oh wait, you did pick. Okay.
Yeah,
I pick death. I'm gonna pick the color for my favorite princess.
who's the princess?
Oh, that's a good question. There's a lot of good princesses, you know?
I'm not one of them.
I'm gonna pick dark blue for the princess named Benny.
Thank you.
She wears a lot of big purple dresses. Cause that makes.
I hate dresses. What do you mean?
But the princess Benny wears dresses. Cause I said so. No, I'm just kidding.
I'm just gonna go casually.
Haha. But I'm gonna. You went backwards. You're not moving. Oh wait. Bye, Felicia. I'm ditching you. Uh oh. I don't see how well this is. Oh. Wee.
Hi, Felicia.
I went off into the cyan.
Bro.
Yes.
Bro, I'm on. I don't like this. I'm stuck.
Hey, Benny.
Look.
Benny, I feel like we're balling right now. Benny, I feel like we're balling in money right now. I got one money and I'm balling, bro.
Oh,
I'm eating a burger. I hope I don't throw up because I'm eating a burger. I'm so happy I accidentally had my sound on because then you guys wouldn't have been able to hear. Okay, Benny, I'm gonna need you to choose a color. I'm gonna need you to choose the color.
So I'm gonna pick green, okay? So I lied, I'm picking white.
You already did that. That's not white. We've done this already. I'm gonna take the easy route. I'm just taking a walk down, you know. Ah! It just forced me to go to yellow, bro.
I wanna do yellow.
Bro, it just forced me to go to yellow.
I wanna do yellow.
Bro, okay. Bye, Felicia. Whee! Whee! Ow. I'm dying and it's raining my body parts. Guys, Ben here to be right back. So let's just do an ASMR session. Delicious. Delicioso. Come on, Benny. We're gonna finish off this video by dying, guys. We hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did,
you gotta drink this first, man.
did you enjoy that? Let me just. Guys, we hope you guys enjoy. Oh no, Betty. We hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, leave a like and subscribe. Hope you guys have a good day and bye. Whee! Bye, guys.